Hi, my beautiful family. Welcome to my YouTube channel at a Chichi Space, where we live and we don't just exist. So, as you can see, today is one of those rare videos, a cooking video. I decided to try this, bring to the channel cooking videos, but story time over cooking videos. So every time you see a cooking video, just know there is a real life story time. So the kind of stories that I want to bring to you, my family, are stories that I wouldn't want to sit down and record them in sit down videos. So I just want to spice up these cooking videos by making them story time. You listen as you also feed your eyes. Isn't that beautiful? So without wasting your time, let's go straight away to the story of my childhood. It's a really funny story, but I thank God I survived it. So back then, as you all already know, my parents are teachers, so we're staying in a teacher's quarters. So guys, I was only 3 years old. We had so many children from the neighborhood, both boys and girls, whom we used to play with. So one day, my mother's gone to school, and then my dad is also at school. So we are alone at home as children with those of the neighbors. We are playing normally, and then there's this boy who was actually older than all of the children in the quarters. I still remember his name, but I cannot mention it. Like I said, I was myself 3 years old. Then other children were also in the same age bracket. But my friend who was our immediate neighbor, was 4 or 5 years old at that time. So we are playing, and then this boy calls all the girls in the neighborhood. We were about 10 children of us. But within the time of playing, we were only 7. 3 children had gone to the neighborhood to play. So this boy invited us to an isolated building, which was some distance away from home. So very excited, as young as we were, we all ran after him innocently, guys, not knowing what he had planned to do to little innocent us. So he took us to the outside of the building and then he made us to put a line. Can you imagine? We lined up. He said he was going to play with each one of us inside the building. There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. To be honest with you, we did line up. You should have seen the excitement on our faces. So we lined up. The first person entered in. We didn't see what was actually happening in the next room. We were actually so excited. Each one of us couldn't wait to take our turn to enter and see what this young man had for us. Each time someone entered, we were like, hurry, 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 hurry. Oh my God. I can't even believe I am laughing at these guys. Jesus. So when the first girl entered, I don't know what happened because we did not see her. We did not see this girl. This girl, like I told you, she was the one who was 4 to 5 years old. She was a spoiled girl. She did not make any noise.
Of a certain place in time, staring outside the window.
So guys, it's the second girl who saved us. This girl entered and the guy was actually going to knock her. Can you imagine? That is what we were lining up for. We had no idea that's what was going to happen. We had no idea.
I wish that I knew why. Days turn to weeks and summer is gone before.
So once she got into the room, she screamed when he tried to touch her. She screamed. We all started screaming. We didn't know why we were screaming. We entered into the isolated building. We got him with his pants down.
Just look at how you've grown. You're just a child with such a brilliant smile.
So by the time we screamed, people in the neighborhood came. They caught him, they caned him. Can you imagine? This boy was even a total orphan. And he was going to knock all of us, the 7 of us. The first girl whom he had knocked was used to those things. So can you imagine if this girl had not screamed? So his uncle was very disappointed in him. They took him to a remand home. When our parents heard of that story, they were so disappointed. That was the last time my mother ever let me out of her reach. And guys, that's how I survived to be knocked at that young age. I just want to say that as parents, we should really be very careful of the kind of people we let our children hang with. Those incidences still happen. That's why for me, whenever I am looking for a house to rent, I consider the safety of my children. So guys, if you like this kind of videos, kindly tell me in the comment section if you want me to continue. As you can see, the food is ready. Till then, bye.